Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, how long does it take to kill a colony of ants? Ants may be small, but they can cause the biggest headaches. So when you treat for ants, you want them gone fast. The amount of time it takes to kill an ant colony really depends on the size of the ant colony. With high-quality baits like ant-trax, it usually takes 24 to 48 hours to kill the ant that ingested the bait. Because ant-trax is systemic, it will rapidly transfer among the colony, leading to colony elimination in about 7 days. This is why you'll want to use stuff that packs a punch, and not those weak ant baits that come from box stores. Of course, the time to kill can be affected by temperature and if there are any other food sources competing with the bait. Make sure that you're not smashing any ants that you see walking along a trail. This can cause them to spread or bud, making elimination even harder. If you treat your ant problem properly, you can have it under control in about 7 days. Now, if there was only something we could do about the uncles. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. Not like that weak stuff that you'll find in box stores. Weak ant baits. Packs a punch, not weak ant baits like you'll find in box stores.